Global warming steadily alters life in our cities. And while our immune system is slow in adapting, the ecosystem in our urban centers is not. Warm winters contribute to an increase in numbers of domestic species like moths, roaches, silverfish, bedbugs, or ants. But even worse, some invasive species, such as the tiger mosquito, by now manage to survive in the northern hemisphere, especially in urban centers. While you can counter the threat of pest infestations, you have to act with extreme diligence in private buildings. That is why we closely study the behavior of each species at a special research facility. Learning about their routines and preferences allows us to be very specific in our countermeasures. New and in many cases biological combinations of ingredients are formulated, tested, and compared. Encapsulation allows to precisely time the effect of our agents. Designing the form and functionality of our packaging contributes for a good part to the successful and safe application of our products. And only if every single one of these steps is followed with great diligence, a safe product will be the result. With all our efforts, we're proud to make a small contribution for a safe and healthy life in our modern world. Safety in production, safety in application, safety in effect.